Hello, this is another quick video where I would like to show you how you can take a very small bit of your voice and turn it into a synthesizer. So to do that, you have to first go access the VAB synth, which is the fifth tab on the left hand side. And once you access this page, you can, under the OSC one, which is the oscillator one, you will see there's a triangle wave right above the sync. Press on it. It turns into a square, triangle, sine, noise, FM, and then eventually it comes up to the PCM, which is, I think, pulse code modulation, if I'm not mistaken. On the PCM setup, if you access the PCM setup, it shows a sample menu. Go ahead and record a sample from microphone. I'll have to pause the video because I can't record my sample while recording this. Okay, now that I've recorded my sample, which sounds like this, I'll go ahead and save it first. And I think it's better to just quickly trim it. So I take the left right markers, hit crop. Yeah, that should do. And then close it. Okay. So there it is. And then you can have fun like this. Thank you for watching.